I'm thinking about a couple of things. I'm thinking about sex and also thinking about food. And the reason I'm thinking about these things is because I'm wondering about my achievements in life and if I've lived well or appropriately. Have I succeeded in life, basically? What I'm thinking is that I've had two children and I also have diabetes. So when I stand back and take a look, I think initially that in a sense I have succeeded in life. Because life, it seems, is about for a man, it's about the pursuit of children and the pursuit of pleasure. That seems to be two fundamental reasons why we have life and what we're supposed to do in life. So sex is the main thing, it seems. But that was for me when I was younger. I'm 49 now, so I see things differently. And sex is not the priority it once was. I'm really not fussed about sex, to be honest. But there was a time in my life when I was younger when the pursuit of sex was the main thing to be doing in life. So I did pursue sex, and I have two children as a result. So I'm also thinking I did pursue food as well. The food is very important to me. And I pursued that as opposed to excess, and so it's led to diabetes. I'm not sure if it would have been possible for me to avoid diabetes. I'm not sure what I would need to have done to not get it. Because I thought I ate quite sensibly, but obviously not. I'm wondering how difficult it is to avoid diabetes. I will look into the prevalence of it soon. But I am thinking that in a sense I have succeeded in life. I've enjoyed myself a lot with food, hence diabetes, and I've enjoyed myself with sex, hence two children. So I have accomplished what I set out to do in a sense. So life does seem to be about enjoying yourself and having children. So I've definitely done that. So I'm wondering if I have lived fully, and so I'm wondering what to do now. I should be raising my children, but that's not possible. The circumstances I don't understand why. But I'm wondering what to do next in life. I've enjoyed myself, I've had children. What do I do now? How do I enjoy myself further, maybe? I should be raising my children, but that's not possible. So my thinking for now is that sex is about enjoying yourself and having children. And I'm glad to have done both. And I suppose it doesn't matter if there isn't anything left to pursue apart from existence. And it's weird that diabetes is not strictly a failure in life. It does show that I have maximized my pleasure in the pursuit of food, I suppose. And two children means that I have succeeded in the pursuit of sex and the objective of sex, even if it wasn't necessarily my aim properly. So don't get me wrong, I did want to have children, so that's not the issue. I'm just randomly thinking. So it is interesting to wonder what my life is now, what I'm doing with myself, and what I can do is very limited. So I'm wondering how I enjoy myself now. I need new objectives, I suppose. A new way of looking at the world. So I've yet to find a new objective.